breaking news today.
Please subscribe and check notification box to get all breaking news alerts.
Breaking: Comey going down. U.S. court just made their move. For years, the American people have been clamoring for answers concerning Hillary Clinton's emails and why she was never charged with a crime. The official story fed to the American people by former FBI Director James Comey was that Hillary didn't mean any harm when she deleted thousands of classified emails from her server. Of course, Comey's response never sat well with any of us, but what were any of us to do? Then soon afterward it was discovered that not only did Hillary delete emails, but she was also involved in a pay-to-play scandal that involved selling favors to the highest foreign bidders while she was head of the State Department. These shocking revelations prove that there was a massive government cover-up to protect Clinton, and now James Comey is being summoned to answer for his part in it. Hillary Clinton must have thought she was in the clear after James Comey dismissed the email scandal swirling around her, but that is not the case. 2 new congressional investigations into Hillary Clinton have been opened, and the burning question on everyone's mind is why did Comey allow the former Secretary of State to skirt charges? Here is more from conservative Daily Post. Over the summer, Special Counsel Robert Mueller fired Peter Strzok, a former top counterintelligence agent at the FBI, for sending vile anti-Trump text messages to Lisa Page, a high-ranking FBI lawyer with whom he was having an affair. Upon his firing, it was revealed that Strzok changed Comey's draft statement that described Clinton's handling of her private email server as grossly negligent to extremely careless, shielding her from criminal charges. GOP lawmakers want to question Comey about whether he was aware of the changes in the language, why he approved it, and whether he still believes Clinton violated the law by having a private, non-secure email server hiding in the basement of her home when she led the State Department. Republicans argue Comey is a key witness for the investigation, and his testimony could provide clarity for the American people. "I think that would be essential," said Representative Matt Gaetz, a Florida Republican leading the charge into holding Clinton accountable for her actions. "We're going to have to find out from James Comey why the normal procedures were ignored in this case. I hope there's a chance at some point that we get to talk to Mr. Comey, either a deposition or under oath in a committee hearing," said Ohio Republican Representative Jim Jordan, who has called for Attorney General Jeff Sessions to resign over his inability to control leaks from the DOJ and appoint a second prosecutor into Clinton's illegal behavior. Both Judiciary and Oversight Committees and the House Intelligence Committee has cultivated a lengthy list of FBI witnesses as part of Intelligence Chairman Devin Nunes' separate probe into the FBI and DOJ working to shield Clinton and promote the discredited Trump-Russia dossier. And, to be honest, they need to sit down with the straighter and demand some answers. You see, not too long ago, Prissy Holly from Veteran F reported that Comey intentionally tampered with evidence to water down the FBI's findings, which happens to be a huge felony. In recently released documents obtained by Fox News, Comey edited his draft statement on the Hillary Clinton email probe numerous times before he announced his findings to the public. The records show that Comey watered down his findings considerably to protect Hillary Clinton from prosecution. One draft shows Comey stating that it was reasonably likely that hostile actors gained access to then-Secretary of State Hillary Clinton's private email account. However, that statement was later changed to merely possible, and that is not all. Another edit shows Comey describing the actions of Clinton and her co-workers as extremely careless as opposed to grossly negligent, which happens to be a critical legal distinction and a federal crime. Prissy Holly reports. Lying under oath or tampering with evidence of a federal investigation is a serious federal crime as spelled out in Section 1001 of Title 18 of the United States Code. A number of people have been convicted and sent to prison for far less crimes than Comey, including Martha Stewart, whose crimes were extremely minor when compared to what Comey schemed up with Hillary. The former FBI director could also be tried for many additional felonies, as this statute is used to prove perjury, false declarations, and obstruction of justice, all crimes that Comey committed in the case of Hillary Clinton. It appears that Comey and other top FBI and DOJ officials actively protected Clinton from her crimes, which could be the most significant scandal in political history we have seen in years. And once this scandal is adequately investigated, it could bring the entire Clinton cartel down to its knees once and for all.